Those are awesome. Look at those. Them last pair of shoes you let me have are awesome. Those are very cool. Yeah, remember?
Pearl, come on. Just sit him. Come on, guys. I'm sure as soon as I pull out the camera, you guys stop.
Big old camera shy on ya.
I know.
That's cool.
Wait.
What's cool?
That.
Thank you, baby.
Pearl's like camera shy or something.
And I walked right in front of Susie.
Jordan, don't get your napkin. I already got it.
I am recording, guys. Why did you have to say names?
Awesome. I just want to tell it. I know. Here, get him out of there. Look, here's what you do. Get him out. Hold this up.
Catnip. You gotta love it. There we go.
Oh, man, that was quite a struggle. Dude, I know.
You guys are so cute.
I can make us heart-shaped eggs.
Aww. Did you realize that your baby they got last year?
Oh my goodness.
Did he?
Yeah. There's something on the back.
Which way did they go? Where's Rocky? There he is. You guys are weird.